sugar and sugar. We're going to do my baking soda, and then my baking soda is right now, and Sammy making baking soda for me. And then Ethan, what did this one? What? Sammy making, and then Sammy broke the cup now. He's ready with my piano now, and lick you baking soda. And this one is Rheya day now. Today make peanut butter cup. Peanut butter cup. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 did one. You have some.
Yeah, can I have one? Thank you.
Put this in here. Okay, here you have those four.
When you make a wave, I like peanut butter.
Can you open this?
Of course.
Rhea, can you open this?
Of course we can. I can open it. It's too hard. I got to raise it. I got to put it away. Open it! Open it! I got to put it later. I got it.
Do you like peanut butter? Yeah. Oh, you want to wipe your hand? Okay, I'll help you.
Okay, the cabinet. Tastes like chocolate. I like the one candle. Peanut butter.
Good. Now other side. Other side.
Poop. Look at chocolate. I did paste. I did paste. I did a tinkle. It's already covered. Put it in the bread now. We'll make bread. And this one is putting another in the bread. And the Nick is coming and talk about it's way to magic. try it. It tastes like nothing.
It tastes like nothing? Take a bite of it.
It tastes like nothing. Thumbs up. For watching. See you guys do my radio. Hey, bye. Here's your flame.